Okay guys, for today's video, then I will show you how to connect the Platinum Wireless Mic B20. See, the B20 wireless microphone, it comes with two wireless microphone. It's rechargeable and rechargeable receiver also. So this is how you connect. Yes, for someone who's asking if they can use it direct to their TV, no, big no. You cannot use wireless microphone direct to your TV because this is the receiver. You need to connect this one direct to the speaker that has mic input. Yes, as you can see, this is 6.5. So yeah, because some speakers doesn't have mic input, so that one is not compatible with this. So it must have mic input, the speaker. So this is the receiver. All you need to do is just, this is rechargeable. It comes, type C. The cable is included, for the microphone and for the receiver. Samsung charger you can use also. And all you need to do is just turn it on. Voila. Just connect direct to the mic input. And you can use the two wireless microphone at the same time. So it has mic volume here, plus minus. So here it is.
Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test.
Sorry guys, I'm talking in English so that everyone can understand. If someone is asked, if there's any questions, to everyone, yes. So
hello, mic test.
You can use directly. So this is the one wireless mic. Just long press, like 2 seconds.
Hello, mic test.
So here it goes. Platinum B20 wireless microphone. So this is how you use this wireless microphone. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.